Students, today I am going to give you the solution of question number 5 exercise 1.1. Using Euclid's division lemma, we have to prove cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So what we are going to do, let A is equals to 3q plus r. A is any positive integer and using Euclid's division lemma I am using 3 as b, q is any quotient and r is the remainder. Now we know very well remainder can have values between 0 and 3. That means remainder can have values 0, 1, 2. Now, when r is equals to 0, when r is 0, a becomes 3q. Cubing both sides. What it will be now? A cube is equals to 3q whole cube. From here, a cube is equals to 3 cube will be, this is 3. 3 cube will be 27q cube. A cube is equals to, I can write it as, take common 9, 3 cube. A cube is equals to 9m. Here, as q is an integer, so m is equals to 3q cube. So we have obtained one form. Now, when r is equals to 1, in this case, a is equals to 3q plus 1. Again, we are going to cubing both sides. A cube is equals to 3q plus 1 whole cube. Open it. 27q cube plus 27q square plus 9q plus 1 is equals to. Now, from these three terms, what we can take common? 9. So it will be 3q cube plus 3q square plus q plus 1. Again, using the same concept we used in question number 4, this will be 9m plus 1. A cube is equals to 9m plus 1, where we have supposed m is equals to 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. This is second. Now, when r is equals to 2, so a will be here 3q plus 2, cubing both sides. A cube is equals to 3q plus 2 whole cube. A cube is equals to, now open it, 27q cube plus 54q square plus 36q plus 8. So, from first three entries we can take common 9. So it will be 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. Again, we can write this bracket as some integer m. 9m plus 8. Here we have taken m is equals to 3q cube plus 6q square plus 4q. So this is our equation 3. Now we have supposed a is some integer which is in the form of 3q plus r, and when r was 0, then first equation was it was in the form 9m. When r was 1, it was in the form 9m plus 1, and when r was 2, it is in the form of 9m plus a. So here you can write the conclusion. So cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So this is the end of our exercise 1.1. Tomorrow we will complete exercise 1.2. So try to complete this work in your fair notebook. Thank you.